Let's start by opening up Microsoft Excel. We'll need to get a few things ready before we start developing any actual code. You probably don't have the Developer tab visible by default, so let's expose that. First, we'll go to the top left corner and click File. Then we'll go to the lower left corner and click Options. And this will launch a new Options window, as you can see. Now we'll go to the Customize Ribbon tab on the left side and we'll enable the Developer checkbox in this list on the right. Now, the Developer tab should be visible in the top ribbon. This will be helpful in adding and editing controls as well as accessing the code itself. Next, we'll also need to go to the Advanced tab on the left again. Scroll down a bit, and in the General section we'll click on the Ignore Other Applications that use Dynamic Data Exchange to enable it. Next, we'll also click to disable the checkbox for Enable Multi-Threaded Processing. These settings are optional, but they do help prevent some errors that sometimes come up when interacting with the SAP 2000 API. It is unlikely that they will occur, but it's better to be safe than sorry. And now we're ready to start working.